Hello, and welcome back to our workout videos. Every month, we have a new workout for you that you can download on a PDF format through the link in the description. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and notifications are turned on. The total distance of this workout is 1,800 meters or yards. To start our workout, let's do these shoulder warm-ups. Do 20 repetitions of each one. Then, we will do 6 50s alternating one backstroke and one freestyle. Then, to warm up our legs, we will do 6 50s backstroke kick with rotation. For the technique set, we will work on this drill. Do 425s, trying to stay as close to the surface as possible. If you find it too difficult, you can use fins to help you out. For the main set, we will do 12 75s. The first two will be backstroke at a fast pace, focusing on good technique and fast turns. The third will be freestyle at an easy pace. Then repeat that 4 times to complete 12 75s. To warm down, do 4 50s alternating breaststroke and freestyle. Don't forget to stretch. Remember that you can download a free PDF version of this workout so you can print it and take it with you to the pool. Also, you can check out our new swim cap designs at skillswimming.com. Use promo code RECOVERY for a 10% discount. Thanks for watching. Hasta la próxima. Nada rápido.